soften the heart. We'll take your dominant hand and we're gonna seal the left nostril with the pinky finger or the ring finger, whatever feels best for you today. So let's just start there. Seal the left nostril. This allows you to breathe in through the right nostril. Let's do it. After you've taken an inhale in through the right nostril, we pause at the top. We call this breath retention. We're going to retain the breath. Many of you are familiar with alternate nostril breathing, but just in case, if this is a new technique for you, I will talk you through it. And we'll just, as I feel like we're so focused on getting pranayama technique right, that we kind of miss the opportunity to be in the practice, in the sensation. So maybe we just keep that in mind. Gentle lift. Slowly ease into this session so you don't have to like nail it right away. You can just kind of hop along as feels right for you. So